Hi guys, this is Barbie from Approved Detailing. Look at this, McLaren P1 hypercar has come to Approved Detailing for a full paint protection film. This car actually had PPF on it, but our client wanted to freshen up, so we used XPEL Ultimate Class Glossy PPF on this car. We also did the window tint, we replaced the windshield protection. The interior needed some extra love too, so we used interior ceramic coating to keep it looking nice and fresh. So guess what? This P1 has a friend. This is a carbon fiber edition. 1/5 has also been to Approved Detailing for full paint protection, window tinting, windshield protection. You're going to see a whole YouTube video about this car very soon. If you want your car to have the premium care that it deserves, call Approved and don't forget to ask for Barbie. Like, share and subscribe.